Good morning, students of class 9. You're welcome back to the classes now. Let's continue our lesson in history. We are doing socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. So far we have learned already about February Revolution and October Revolution. Now what happened after October Revolution of 1970? What changes took place? We'll talk about that. There are a few changes that took place. First, the Bolshevik party, the biggest party in Russia, headed by Vladimir Lenin. Bolshevik party was renamed Russian Communist Party. First, Bolshevik party was renamed Russian Communist Party, number one. Number two, they conducted elections but failed to gain majority. They conducted elections but they failed to gain the majority. So what happened? The assembly means the provisional government. They had an assembly, the parliament. The assembly rejected Bolshevik measures. And we have already learned about Bolshevik measures. What were the Bolshevik measures? The banks, nationalization of banks, industries, confiscating of land from the landlords, and the war must be brought to an end. These were the Bolshevik measures. And the provisional government or their assembly rejected these measures, Bolshevik measures. Then after that, Lenin dismissed the assembly. Lenin dismissed the assembly. We don't want any assembly. We'll have new assembly. So he thought all Russian Congress of Soviets were more democratic. All Russian Congress Soviets or the Bolsheviks, they were more democratic than an assembly elected in uncertain conditions. The assembly which is functioning now at the present, they were elected in uncertain conditions. Most of them were landlords, most of them were nobilities or their relatives. They are elected in uncertain conditions. They are not democratic. Lenin said that these Bolsheviks or Russian Congress of Soviets was more democratic. That's why it is better to dismiss this assembly. So Lenin dismissed the assembly in this way. He gave the reason also. Number 3, in March 1918, what happened? Bolsheviks made peace with Germany because previously Tsar Nicholas was fighting with Germany, and Lenin pressurized the government to stop an end, bring an end to the war that was going on. So in March 1980, Bolsheviks made peace with Germany at Brest-Litovsk. At this place, a peace treaty was signed between the Germans and the Russians and made peace with Germany. Bolshevik took this step. Now, next, number 4, Bolshevik became the only party. Bolshevik became the only party to participate in the election to the All Russian Congress of Soviets. These are all Russian Congress of Soviets. This party became the only one party to participate in the elections, which became the parliament of the country, and later it became the parliament, new assembly, new parliament, constituent assembly. So, which became the parliament of the country. Now the country is under Bolshevik party. The Bolshevik party ruled Russia. The secret police, after the assembly or after the parliament was formed, secret police called the Cheka. Secret police was formed, known as Cheka, and punished those who criticized Bolsheviks. Those who criticized Bolsheviks, they were arrested and they were punished, put behind bars. Party encouraged censorship. Bolshevik party. All Russian Congress Soviets, or you can say the Communist Party, you can say, This is one simple word. The Communist Party, who headed the parliament. The party encouraged censorship in the newspapers, in the articles, or in the magazines, or in the public speaking. Censorship. And many were disillusioned. Many people began to think what the Bolsheviks are doing. So democracy means the freedom of speech, freedom of expression should be there, but they are censoring everything. So what the Bolshevik is doing, so they are disillusioned. They became quite puzzled by the act of the Bolshevik after the formation of the parliament and the constituent assembly, or the assembly. After formation of the assembly, many of the writers, many of the artists, scholars, they were disillusioned because censorship was imposed by the Bolshevik, by Lenin. Lenin was the leader. So, and people who criticized the government or the Bolshevik, they were arrested, they were punished. It is an undemocratic way. So, in our next class, we'll talk about the war. Now, this much for today. You go through this properly. And thank you very much for your presence and for your attention. That's all for today. Only thing, you should not miss your online classes so that you will remember things clearly. Here I will give you the points so you can remember the points. You do not have to go through everything in the paragraph. It is very long. So here I have called the main points, and these things you must learn and in detail. So that's all for today. So we'll meet in the next class and carry on our lesson. That's all.